Remember to click subscribe and notification button for more Appa's video.
Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Appa has some leftover meat slices. This is actually pork belly. Meat slices from steamboat last night. So actually not a lot, but I don't want to waste it, so I'm going to use it to cook jiangchong, yeah, fried ginger with fried pork with ginger and spring onion. And what kind of ginger you should be using for this dish actually is young ginger. But if you really don't have young ginger at home, go ahead to use the normal ginger, no problem. What's the difference? The young ginger usually is more fragrant. The old ginger usually is more spicy. Okay. So, and then putting a lot of spring onion on this. Just this is more for garnishing. A little bit of red chili here, big one, so it's not spicy at all. Actually, this is I think this is called the what? Twist. I forgot what it's twist pepper or something like that. And then this is a little bit of fried garlic, chopped garlic. So first of all, you can marinate the pork with a little bit of Shaoxing wine. Now, some people always say, how come their pork always end up very tough and very dry? That's because they miss out. This is white pepper. They miss out one step, which is called 打水. Literally translate into beet water. So what is beet? This is light soy sauce. Little bit. What is beet water? Basically, is you want to beat some water into the meat. So that a little bit too much. It's okay. Then later I won't add oyster sauce anymore. And give it a little bit of cornstarch. It will make the meat more tender. Okay, so I'm going to give it some massage. And you will notice one thing. All the liquid just now you saw will be gone. See what I'm saying? See what I'm saying? All the liquid just now will be gone. Why? Because it has actually been soaked up by the meat itself. This is one way to keep your pork tender. One of the way, okay? One of the tips. And Chinese we call it 打水. See? Everything absorbed inside. You can actually, to make it easier to stir fry, actually there's one more trick. You can put a little bit of oil here. Give it a little bit of oil. Okay, with the oil here, later it will be very easy for you to stir fry because of the oil. So there are a few tips here, even though it sounds very simple things. Okay, let's start. Give a little bit of oil. And you will want to saute the garlic, ginger, and the white portion of the spring onion. Leaving the rest later, yeah? Let me on my cooking hood. You just have to saute for about a minute, maybe a minute, just to allow all the fragrance and flavor to release. Oh, now I can already feel. I hope you can smell this super fragrant. Because of the young ginger, I'm telling you, seriously. Nice. Okay, now I can put in the marinated pork. And you will notice the pork is very easy to stir fry. They won't stick together because of the oil. See? Because of the oil I added. And it is already very fragrant because I already marinated it. Right? So now I'm going to tune down the fire Let's give it a little bit of hot water. Okay, now you can on high heat again. Some Shaoxing wine. A little bit of oyster sauce. A little bit of light soy sauce. Few dashes of white pepper. A little bit of salt. A little bit of sugar. Give it a few stir. Up the fire right now. The meat is actually very thin, because it's from the steamboat. So it gets cooked very, very fast. Now the rest of the ingredient, red chili and also green. Usually they will starch this dish a little bit to make it a little bit more nicer color and thicken the broth. But today I'm not going to do that. So yeah, but usually they will starch it. Alright, let's get done. So this is Appa's stir fry pork slices with ginger and spring onion. I hope you like my video. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow Appa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Enjoy your dinner with your family. Bye bye.